Ovulation pain. 5 reasons not to ignore painful ovulation. During ovulation, when an egg is released from ovary, some women experience an sensation commonly referred to as ovulation pain. The sensation is usually sudden tongue pop or twinkle in the lower abdomen, which coincide with ovary's state of menstrual cycle. But some women would describe ovulation as being painful. Because ovulation pain is common these days, it might come as a shock to fear that it's actually not normal. Yes, many women will feel ovulation and isn't a big deal, but acute severe stabling or debilitating pain is not normal. The level of pain you experience require painkillers or stop you from getting on which your day you need to get checked by a prospective specialist. Ovulation pain. The 5 most common causes. Ovulation pain is warning that you have an underlying health issue that should be addressed. In fact, some underlying causes of ovulation pain can result in fertility problem that might prevent you from getting pregnant. The most common causes of ovulation pain are cyst on the ovaries. Ovulation pain is often the sign of cyst on ovaries. Cyst can form or can burst during the ovulation period. Women with PCOS often experience ovulation pain due to multiple ovulation cysts. Cyst ovaries are the result of a hormonal imbalance usually related to insulin resistance. Sugar and gain in the diet cause sparking the blood sugar level and also cause inflammation in the body. Significantly reducing or eliminating sugars and gain can highly beneficial. Following a diet containing lower GI food of eating. Second, endometriosis. Endometriosis is an inflammatory disease which affects the ovaries and fallopian tube. It can also cause pain during the ovulatory period. Other symptoms and endometriosis include pain during intercourse, migraine, conception, headache and dizziness. Some women with endometriosis can be asymptomatic. This is why it is important to see a specialist if you are experiencing any fertility issue. Third, adhesion from prior surgery. Have you had abdominal surgery previously? For example, a C-section or perhaps you had your appendix out. Adhesion and scar tissue from these surgeries can cause ovulation pain. 4. Bacteria from medical procedure. Bacteria can be introduced into the pelvic cavity through catheters during surgery and even in childbirth. The bacteria can cause inflammation and infection resulting in the ovulation pain. 5th, sexually transmitted infection. Sexually transmitted infection are also possible cause of ovulation pain. One example of an STI is chlamydia. It can cause inflammation in the fallopian tube, scarring the pelvic inflammatory disease. It can also cause another condition which result in the fallopian tubes being blocked with pus, causing inflammation and pain.